Hello everyone. In this new series, we will be talking predominantly about BigQuery. As you may be aware, BigQuery is one of the enterprise data warehouse offerings part of Google Cloud Platform. Before we jump into how BigQuery really works and the use cases, we'll first start with the basic refresh or a revision of the knowledge of data warehouses. Then we will jump into the internals of BigQuery. We will look into the components that is under the hood of BigQuery. Then we will be looking into the SQL language, the language that we use inside BigQuery, and how it gets executed from an architecture or from a design point of view. Further, we will be looking into the machine learning use cases. We will be looking into the machine learning use cases that can be targeted or that can be resolved using BigQuery. Last but not the least, we will also be talking about how to manage and maintain data security or data governance when it comes to the data sets that we are going to create or manage in BigQuery. Thank you.